Hello everyone. In this video, I wanted to share with you the process of designing a round beach towel. The first thing I do is to make a sketch with a pencil to test shapes that fit better. Before starting a design process, I usually take some time to do my research. I try to collect styles and images from different sites. Generally, where I find the most inspiration is on Pinterest. Now that I have my finished sketch, it is time to remark with a black ink pen. For the color choice, what I do is work with watercolor. I have in my mind the color combination, but I allow myself to mix and play with shades within the chosen range. And this is how it is done and then sent to sublimate. Tell me in the comments what you think.